Wow, the Teikuchi TL12. V2 faces off against this gigantic root like witnessing a battle between David and Goliath. But with its powerful 109.78 horsepower engine, providing immense pushing and braking force, this machine stands tall Before long, it pulls the root out of its socket. Its strength and reliability make it the top choice for tough construction tasks. The HF802 cone splitter is like a steel punch, effortlessly smashing through massive logs. It's incredible how it transforms heavy timber into small pieces with ease. This machine is a game changer in the logging industry. Under the bright sunlight in the forest, the Timber Pro TL735D showcases impressive working capabilities with its powerful engine of 149.14 kilowatts. It can cut trees efficiently for hours on end. It's like a magic wand in the forestry industry. What do you like most about it? I'm witnessing the mighty Franklin 405 pulling a massive log up from the ravine. Wait, the road's so slick. The log looks like it's trying to break free from the cable. But no way the timber beast would let that happen. The log's been dragged along, no mercy. That's a Split Max 48. It's like a giant monster, showing off its muscles with a pressure of 5,000 psi. With a wide jaw opening of 48 inches, it easily splits solid logs apart. Its efficiency is truly amazing, don't you agree? Look at that. the JCB8026 mini excavator with 18.4 kilowatts of power. Watch it effortlessly uproot large and small tree stumps, turning tough challenges into everyday tasks. The Alpine Rhino stump grinder, paired with Rhino cutting teeth, takes stump removal to the next level, a massive 30% faster than conventional teeth. And guess what? You can own it for just $31.45. The Valtra BH165 is giving its all, pulling a heavy wood truck up a slippery slope. Right after that, the skidder follows closely, ensuring the truck stays on course. It's truly an exhilarating experience. The John Deere 415 dominates the expansive forest, operating with a powerful 208.8 kilowatt engine. The sound of its engine blends seamlessly with the quiet hum of the cutter head as it slices through the trees. It's a captivating experience. A giant tree stands tall and imposing. Two seasoned lumberjacks, masters of their craft, are at work. The saws hum as they cut through the tough bark. And suddenly, crash, it falls to the ground, echoing throughout the forest. The X-07 machine, with its giant saw blade, dominates the space. Just look at it cut through wood effortlessly, creating swirling clouds of sawdust in the air. Would you like to give it a try? The Dipper Fox SC 600 stump grinder is truly a marvel. With a maximum rotational speed of 60 RPM, it operates like a wizard performing magic. Not only does it efficiently grind stumps, but it also minimizes noise and dust. This machine truly knows how to harmonize with nature. Check out this fascinating wood splitter. It can split any type of wood, especially when measuring and cutting it into equal lengths. What would you do first with such an exciting tool? This wood chipper is like a feast for logs. This hungry machine turns them into lovely wood chips in no time. It's amazing how it reduces costs while making the job so much easier. I can't help but smile watching it do its thing.